The Princecraft Performance is based with over 50 years of experience and state-of-the-art engineering. After creating performance for so long, nothing is harder than to improve perfection. The performance of a Princecraft boat is an evolution of this perfection. Our superior performance is achieved with a total dedication to make every inch count, with the most demanding customer in mind. At Princecraft, we don't compromise on durability. We use the best aluminum alloy. It's 5052H36. It's 25% harder than aluminum used by most competitors. Dare to compare what defines performance. The whole shot experience. Our quickness to plane is legendary. Even at a slower speed, our boats stay on plane. The full throttle stability. The quick response time. The solid feel and handling in tight corners. Our deep V hull and innovative reverse chine brings a smoother and dry ride. A wide selection of Mercury engines will enhance your experience. One thing is clear, a Princecraft boat will always perform. What are you waiting for? Take a test drive and be convinced a Princecraft offers performance, precise handling, which will exceed your expectations and demands. Let the performance of a Princecraft boat be an unforgettable experience for you and anyone aboard. And this is why we say, the more you know, the better we look.